All right, what we've got today is the DEERC DE69 four-wheel drive climbing RC car. Let's open this thing up and see what it's all about. This is kind of what the car looks like right here. But let's see what's in the box. That's the important thing. Oh snap, you guys are gonna love this. Storm. All right, there's a controller. Check that out. That's like, got a nice little cool blue. It looks like an extra battery right there, or maybe that is the battery. I don't know if it's an extra one. It's got a couple of extra accessories right here. Looks like you got a screwdriver. You got a, oh, this car has like a thing where you like has exhaust and whatnot. It looks like a little charger thing there. Of course, it does not come with a charging block. None of these things come with charging blocks anymore at all whatsoever. So, but that's cool because I've got plenty of charging blocks. Just get rid of that box. All right, so let's see what this car is all about. That's what I really want to see. What is this car all about? Whoa, check this out. The DE69 remote control car. Storm. It's thunder. It's blue and red. And it has an exhaust butt. Can't wait to see that. So it looks like you got to provide your own batteries for the remote, which is cool, which is fine because that's pretty normal. The battery itself, I can't really tell, but I'll have to open this up and find out if maybe this is an extra battery or if this is the only battery. But we're gonna find out, so we're gonna check this out and see what this car is all about. That, again, is the DE69 remote control car by DEERC.